Okay, let us take a look at the last part of our conditionals series, right? So we did a few programs with conditionals before. Now I just want to tell you the difference between multiple if statements and if, elif, and else statements, right? So let's take a number. Let's say that number is 17. If number equal to 16, we do something. Let's say print 16, 16 anyway, and we'll, instead of an elif statement, we can put another if statement. And if number is equal to 17, let's just say print 17, right? And these are two if statements. Let's run this program and see what happens. Just pull this up for you, and you can see it prints out 17, so that works correctly. But what is happening is it checks for 16 first, then it checks for 17, right? And okay, that is the way it works with if else too. But let's just do this. Let's say 15, and let's change this to if the number is divisible by 5, and we'll print output 1. Let's just call this that. And if the number is divisible by 3, we can print output 2. Now you might be thinking that number 15, and this is the first statement, and since this will become true, this will run and this will end. But no, let's see, let's run this here. You can see it prints both, because when instead of if, elif, and else you have multiple if statements, Python checks all of them, right? So once this if statement completes, it will check this else statement, if statement, and then the next, and then the next, and then so on. Unlike if I put elif here, elif here, and when I put an elif, I need to put an else, because otherwise it will complain. I can just write output 3 here, right? This will run only the first part, because the moment an if-elif-else ladder or if-elif-else block gets a true statement, it executes that part of the code and exits the whole block, right? So execution starts from here, like from under here, right? Once again. And if instead of elif we use two if statements, it will check against all conditions. So if I run this, you can see it only prints output 1, right? So that is the difference between if, elif, and else statements, and if, elif, and multiple if statements, right? And another thing to be aware of is that an if statement can survive on its own. So we can have just a simple if statement on its own. Now an elif must be preceded by at least one if or one elif. So if you take a look here, this one is preceded by an elif, and this elif is preceded by an if, right? And must be followed by an elif or an else. So if you take a look at this one, this elif is followed by this elif, and this elif is followed by an else. So elif cannot exist without an if or an else, right? And else must be preceded by at least one if. So else does not require an elif, but else does require at least one if statement before it. Otherwise, it will throw up an error, right? So that is all about our conditionals, and you can join Techhub where we talk in a lot more detail about this, and we solve a lot more problems with these. But for the YouTube videos, this is it. Thank you.